Dictatorship in Europe. World War I fought from 1914 to 1918. Paris Peace Treaty in January 1919 proved humiliating to defeated nations. Democratic form of government was adopted in defeated nations. These democratic government failed to solve the problems of those nations, thereby gave rise to dictatorship. Some of the dictators were Hitler of Germany, Mussolini of Italy. Reasons for the rise of dictatorship. The financial crisis gave rise to dissatisfaction among the common people. Factories were closed, trade and industries were standstill, unemployment increased, inflation increased, peace treaty was humiliating, failure of League of Nations, people lost faith in democracy. Faith in solving problems through centralized military power began. Thus, atmosphere was favorable for the rise of dictators. Italy after World War I. Italy was one of the victorious nations of the First World War, though was disappointed because became bankrupt due to the war, increase in price and scarcity of food grain, political instability largely prevailed, industries were troubled by strikes and lockouts, riots broke out everywhere, class conflicts, threat to socialism or communalism. Above all, Italy was cheated by the Allied nations, Italian speaking provinces, Germany and Austria, colonies in Africa, expected share in war reparations, port of Fiume, port of Fiume, fascism of Benito Mussolini. Benito Mussolini was a son of a blacksmith. He took part in the First World War as a soldier. After the end of World War I, he had been a teacher and a journalist for some time. Afterwards, Mussolini entered into the politics by establishing the Fascist Party in 1919. He made a bunch of sticks and an X, the symbol of his party, with the intention of showing strength and integrity. He organized Fascist Party with its activists in black uniform, black shirts. In order to get public support, he started giving assurances through provocative public speeches or different public programs, ensured the masses that he would review the reputation of Italy and get them a bright future. Distressed Italian got inspired by Mussolini. Fascists had certain objectives such as believe in principle that nation is greater than its citizens, integrating the Italian people in the European continent, recapturing port of Fiume, colonies in Africa, improving the financial condition of the nation, assisting the farmers and laborers, making internal and external policies for the betterment of Italy. Italy under Mussolini, 1922 to 1945. In 1922, Mussolini captured political power in Italy, soon integrated all powers under his command. The opposition political parties were banned. The officers and leaders who opposed his policies were tried under false allegations and put behind the bars. The freedom of press was weakened by different restrictions. The trade unions were banned. On the other hand, he helped the common people to improve their financial conditions. Industrial development were boosted. Educational system was used for spreading the ideology of fascism among the youngsters. Expansionist policies of Mussolini. In 1923 conquered Aegean Island from Turkey. 1924 acquired port of Fiume. In 1936 invaded and later annexed Ethiopia. In this way restored prestige of Italy. Rise of Nazism in Germany. German Emperor gave up the throne after World War I. A republic government, Weimar Republic, was formed in November 1918. The common people were irritated at the Weimar government as they accepted the condition of Treaty of Versailles. Banks were collapsed, inflation rose, industries were closed. It also failed to improve the economic conditions of Germany. Taking advantage, Hitler appealed to the German masses by means of Nazi Party. He got public support by giving provocative speeches all over Germany. Adolf Hitler and Nazi Party. Hitler was born in a middle-class family in 1889. He couldn't get education since his parents died untimely. He did the job of painting houses and later became the soldier in World War I. Hitler collected like-minded persons and formed Nazi Party in 1920. National Socialist Party was the full name of Nazi Party. The ideology of Adolf Hitler was identified as Nazism. He propagated his political philosophy through My Kampf, My Fight, an autobiography of Hitler. He was extremely angry on Weimar government. It was his faith that the Germans were of Aryan race and they were born to rule. He was anti-Jews. He taught German citizens a lesson of sacrifice for the sake of their nation. His theory was one nation, one voice, one leader and one flag. The symbol of his party was swastika and his followers wore khaki dress and called as stormtroops. Hitler in power. Hitler ensured the prosperity of the middle class, saved the educated and capitalists from the clutches of communism, provided jobs for the jobless, enhanced the nation through patriotism. With the help of all these activities, Nazi Party won several seats in German parliament. Soon new elections were announced and Hitler grabbed a huge majority, thereby became the Chancellor of Germany. Later he set up centralized government by dissolving the federal status of Germany and became dictator of Germany. Hitler's internal policy. After grabbing power, he decided to convert Germany into Nazi nation. By using his spies, he finished his opponents. The academic curriculum was deprived of writing on communism, socialism and fascism. The press was made to admire Hitler and Nazism. Hitler's orders were considered as compulsory. Strikes and lockouts were declared illegal. Lakhs of Jews were killed. Agricultural production was increased. The scientific and industrial research were given stimulus. Hitler's external policy. Hitler's aim was to acquire Germany an important place in world politics. According to Hitler, the Treaty of Versailles was only a scrap roll of a paper and hence it was unacceptable. He made military education compulsory in Germany. Strength of army and navy increased and air force was built. Advanced arms and ammunition were manufactured. Hitler quit the League of Nations in 1934 to carry out on the aggressive military program. Saar province was annexed by Germany. Rhine River was captured by Germany. To strengthen the anti-communist forces, he made an agreement with Italy and Japan in 1937, made Berlin-Rome-Tokyo Agreement. By using this agreement, Hitler motivated extreme nationalism and militarism. Similarities between fascism and Nazism. Causes: discontent after Treaty of Versailles, economic crisis, fear of spread of communism, preference of monarchy, failure of League of Nations, political instability, leadership of Mussolini and Hitler. Ideologies: faith in monarchy, against the democratic system, one party, one leader, aggressive nationalism, war for strengthening national interest, state is supreme,